How to change Bluetooth audio codec channel mode to mono or stereo or default. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. After that, we then scroll down to the networking section. And in here, tap on Bluetooth audio channel mode. From here, you can choose between system default, mono or stereo. At the moment, mono is gray out. And here, say gray out means not supported by phone or headset. So if you have a different headset that supports mono audio, you can select that. Finally, tap on OK, then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.